I'm Roger Reid, Doctor of Chiropractic in Paddington, London. This is part 3 of my thoracic spine, how to look after your mid-back. Part 1 talked about stretches, part 2 was mobilizing. This is now going on to how do we strengthen the muscles around the thoracic spine to help deal with all of that mid-back pain that we get between the shoulder blades, to help keep it nice and strong and to keep us propped up and working nicely. So please go and look at parts 1 and 2 first. This is a progression. Again, all of these exercises, be a bit careful, start slowly and build up. If you have any doubts about these, then check obviously with your healthcare provider before you start doing these. One of the big things we see is the muscles between the shoulder blades get really stiff and tight. And it's a very simple, we want to try and keep those nice and toned. Very simple little exercise. Put your arms out 90 degrees and it's just doing a little scapular squeeze. So just holding those muscles over there. We can do little squeezes over there. This is a great exercise to be done throughout the day. Nice strengthening, toning little exercise over there to try and keep those muscles nice and strong. We can progress that to doing some things with the stretchy elastic band. Rowing is a very good one to do. So just trying to use a little stretchy elastic band or a towel, but just doing a little rowing type of action all strengthens up those little muscles over there. Reverse flies, which is when you're coming up, back and out, standing, coming up, back and out. We can also do very simple little ones over here, dips. You just drop your bum off the edge of the sofa and you're just doing some little dips over there. Okay. Push-ups. Push-ups are a great exercise. So you can start on your knees if you need to. Careful you're not looking up and putting strain on your neck. You want to have enough space for a fist underneath your chin at all times. And you can do them on your knees. You can do full ones over there. You can also do what we call a scapular push-up. So arms stay nice and straight. Tummy muscles tucked in nicely. Spine is nice and straight. And the shoulder blade does all the moving. So make sure you're not moving your neck around too much. We're not bending the arms. And we're doing a nice big scapular push-up. You can do those on your knees as well if you find this is too tricky. And if that's too tricky, then do them just there onto a sofa so that you're not putting as much pressure on the wrists and things when you're doing that. Right. So we're going to move on to the next one over here. It's a little exercise to try and just tone up those muscles. So we're split squat over there, standing one foot, right hand inside the right foot, and we're just extending up and doing a nice big toning exercise over there. Right, we can switch that round to the opposite side, stretching up, reaching straight up towards the sky. Okay, and I'm going to progress that onto side bends. So we're in this position, hold your tummy muscles nice and strong, and we're going to rotate and extend. You can hold there for 10 seconds if you like and work on that. Then we can progress onto plank position and just doing some little rotations through there. And nice and strong, stable in the core, and reaching up. Right. And I suggest you do 10 of these on each side, but you can start slowly and build up. And never do anything that's hurting or causing pain. The other one that I like is just a crawling. This is a really easy little one. We're going to be on our toes over here. We're going to move opposite arm and leg nice and gently. And we can scuffle backwards and forwards doing that type of thing. So it's quite a nice easy little exercise. But gets the thoracic spine moving, tones up the muscles around the shoulders, and quite an easy one to do. Good, I hope that helps. I'll do another one for reverse cervical, reverse flies. Thank you. As promised, little exercise, reverse flies, really good exercise to strengthen up the muscles between the shoulder blades and back of the arm. Try and keep you nice and square and keep your shoulders nice and open. Strong wrists, soft knees. You want to try and keep the core nice and tight, and we want to have quite soft elbows, so we bring in the arms up, back, and you squeeze the shoulder blades together. Nice, slow, controlled. Keep your head forwards. Enough space for a fist underneath your chin. But make sure you're not looking up or straining those neck muscles. Up, back, and out. I'll turn this way so you can see. So, strong wrists, soft elbows, soft knees, tight core. Chin down, coming up, back, and out. Coming up, back, and out. Nice, slow. Try and keep it nice and symmetrical. And squeeze the shoulder blades back. Right. Squeeze the shoulder blades back. Very good. Start slow, build up. Thank you.